If you want to change the Lightroom background color, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in how your photo looks while you're editing, especially if you want a cleaner workspace or a different contrast against your image. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick editing tips. All right, let's get into it. First, open Lightroom and go to the photo you want to edit. Make sure you're in Edit View because that's where this setting works best. Once your image is open, look carefully around the photo. You should see an empty gray area outside the image itself. This area is important because the background color setting only appears when you click in the space around the photo, not on the photo. Now, move your cursor to that empty gray area. This is the key step. If you right-click directly on the photo, nothing will happen, so make sure you click outside the image border. Once your cursor is in the empty area, right-click. A small menu should appear with background color options. From that menu, choose White. As soon as you select it, Lightroom will change the editing background to white. This can help your image stand out more clearly, especially if you're working with bright photos, product shots, or images where you want a cleaner look around the edges. If it doesn't work right away, just double-check that you clicked outside the image and not on top of it. That is the most common mistake people make. Again, the click has to be on the gray workspace area surrounding the photo. Once you do that, the option should show up without any issue. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Lightroom background color to white. It's a small change, but it can improve your editing experience and help you focus better on the details in your photo. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe for more Lightroom tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.